you how to make a chicken sandwich.
With takeout, takeouts.
You need chicken,
Bread.
cheese, bread,
And
chopped
mayonnaise.
bread, or any other salad dressing you would like, or any other bread or
Just
filling
some
you
chicken.
would like. Okay.
Eagle's the best.
Now we're going to start off by and plug this in, but watch
You
out
might
because
need
it's hot.
supervised by a parent.
Because it is very hot. So we grab our pieces of chicken.
Wash your hands first.
Yes, of
It's
course.
very important.
Grab our
You pop them on. And
And
you
you-
press this down.
yes, and then what do we do for our mums? We put this in the bin.
Okay. Next, we're going to get some bread and place it on the chopping board. Get how many you fancy. Good.
Okay. Then we will
Put the bread away.
put the bread away because we're going to pack up nice and nicely for our mums. Next we will start cutting the cheese. You can slice it or we can grate it. In this case we're going to grate it.
You may need some supervising by parents. We don't want you chopping fingers.
Ow. Okay, now we're going to start by getting the grated side, not the sliced side, because the sliced side is for slicing. Okay. You want to start by doing nice strokes, like this. You feel it in your triceps if you're doing it right, and if you're not, you need to grow some muscle.
Up here, it will hurt the most.
Grate enough cheese for you, however many you like.
Do how much you fancy. And how much people you need.
Now we will spread it along 2 pieces of bread, one each.
Okay. Next, you will need the mayonnaise.
Or you could use other ones, e.g.
Any of these.
avocado and garlic, tortilla sauce, ranch dressing, balsamic,
Honey mustard.
more tortilla sauce.
But today, we are only using mayonnaise.
Because mayonnaise is the best.
Good old Kiwi
Or you can
mayonnaise.
use Italian.
You
Or
just
even
mix
if
up.
you get dairy, you could use sweet chili sauce.
Whoa, chili.
Since we're halfway through this, we will now check the chicken. Grab a spatula.
Spread the mayonnaise along the bread nice and even.
Or you can be very
Tongs?
daring.
Tongs.
Get some tongs
Looking delicious.
and check it. And you
And
want it to
turn it.
bounce back, but if it's very hard, it's not cooked. We just want to check them to make sure they're not
Turn
burnt or not too, and turn them over just so
Every so often.
yeah, that was she's.
Just so they don't burn on one side and they cook evenly.
Okay.
And we'll put the cheese
Now,
right.
while they're still cooking, we will start packing up.
A nice drink to have with chicken takeouts is a nice drink of Coke or anything you like. Oh. Chicken
Or a nice
takeout.
drink to have it with it. Mum, would this be a nice drink to have with it? Well,
This is good on any occasion. It will suit any purpose at all. Barbecues, restaurant.
I like milk with mine because we need our daily calcium.
I'm going to go downstairs and get the milk.
Some glasses out.
Oh, here we go. Got
Thank
it.
you. Now, you want to pour it slowly so it doesn't spill it out. meal is a good way to lose weight.
It's got trim it.
It's trim and no fatty stuff. Okay, just while we're going, yeah, then we'll check the chicken game.
I will hold it as he demonstrates to turn it. And when it's done,
and if you're unsure, you get your mother. Mum, could you please come check the chicken? Oh no, Mum's busy doing the latsu, so she is away. And now, you, since it's ready, we grab
a piece,
right? Grab a piece.
Each.
Each.
Put on
And
the
put it on a
sandwich. Fold your sandwich over.
And
And
then
then
voila! And make
Happy
sure you
cooking,
turn it off so the
everyone.
house doesn't burn down.
Happy cooking!